Why do you have glasses on inside?
Because it was bright.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little quarantine night routine. So me and Tyler just finished work for the day. We wrapped up everything that we have to do and now it's time to drink. Woo! Woo! So we are going for a little happy hour walk just around the neighborhood. We're gonna be making drinks. He's making a, what are you making?
Making a Tom Collins, but I'm gonna make it with grenadine.
I don't know what it's normally made with. So.
Simple syrup.
Oh, we don't have simple syrup?
No, we do, but I want to try it with grenadine.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do a Moscow Mule. That has been like my go-to drink ever since like before this quarantine thing happened. I would order Moscow Mules, which is unlike me because I'm not really a vodka person, but I really started liking them. So that has like been my drink. So I'm gonna be making that. If you guys like Moscow Mules or you want to try a fun new drink, we're gonna show you how to make this. I think I'm gonna make it a little tall because we're gonna be putting it in this little like water jug. Little do you know there's no water in there.
Oh, sneaky sneak.
How am I supposed to fit mine in there? I'll have to crush it.
Yeah.
I have to do my crushing method. If you see my other videos, you know. This is how I crush ice.
Beats the fuck out of it.
Okay, if you have your crushed ice, get your spirit. I'm doing Sky Vodka. We just bought this because it was super cheap for a big bottle. So I did about 2.5 shots in the mixing glass. Do half a lime. I'm gonna do the full thing because I really like lime. Gonna shake up the vodka and lime. I'm gonna pour that in here. And then Tyler really likes Goslings ginger beer. He says this is like the best. So I'm just gonna put some of that in there. And taste test. Mmm, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, go shawty. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. I cleaned it. We both poured more into our cups. I was like, we may walk for a while. I need this to be stronger.
Yeah.
We're ready. So is this our second or third happy hour walk?
Our second.
I've been like doing these walks around the neighborhood with a little drink in a disguised glass of some sort, trying not to get run over by Teslas. And just like looking at the house and like, well, houses and construction around the neighborhood. Yeah, I like that one. I like your door. And like the walkway, that's nice. We've been like looking at like the different construction and just seeing like, oh, could that be like a starter home? Like, how would we fix up this house? Like, oh, we really like the way this house looks. Just to like get ideas. And also just to like talk about stuff. Like, I like it, like I like where they were going with it, but I feel like it's a little too dark, you know? Uh-oh, dog's not listening. The dog is getting yelled at.
He's a fluff ball.
He is a fluff ball. We decided, well, Tyler kind of convinced me, but we decided that we really like metal roofs. Roofs? Roofs or roofs? Like, yeah, we like metal roofs. Roofs? Roofs? Roofs. Metal roofs, shiplap. We like when there's like some type of wood accent of some sort where it kind of looks like an add-on, but I don't know, like I'll put some photos of like what I have saved from Instagram of what we really like. That is like, whenever we see a house like that, we're like, oh my god, yes. I think that's so pretty. Yeah, there has to be like a pop of color of some sort, like a red door or like a color door, or
like that chimney was a cool pop.
Yeah. Something like upscale but still like something different, because I feel like all houses are just like white shiplap black, and like that's it.
The materials like that when it's like you like mix metal and wood,
Yeah.
or like you mix like.
I really like the wood detailing. And landscaping is like huge.
Yeah.
Landscaping can literally change the way your house looks. It's insane, but it can also be super expensive. Like people can spend like over $100 on just landscaping.
And the thing is, like, it doesn't just stay that way. You gotta keep.
No, you gotta upkeep it. Like save your coins, guys. Whatever you can do, start saving now.
This person has an orange
By the
door.
time you want to buy a house, you're gonna need a lot of money. I'm not down for the orange door. I don't know.
Fine. How about if I get a cabin?
I would
for
do
myself?
a red door for yourself. What are you gonna do
Well,
with
like
a
it's
cabin
our
for yourself?
It's our cabin, but like it's my cabin.
That makes no sense. It's our cabin, but it's yours.
If we get a cabin, I get to choose the door color.
Why does it have to be that like bright ass orange? I also want like some type of like creepy crawly plant that like goes up either like the side of the house or like the side of the gate. Like I feel like that always looks really cool. I knew you were gonna say that one is nice. I'm like,
nice.
oh, let's see what he says about that yellow door.
It's nice. The garage, the
yellow
frosted
door.
garage. It's like really small, but it's really nice.
It's a cute, yeah, it's a cute place.
Yeah.
Cute little first
This one's
house
nice too.
starter home.
This one's really nice too.
I don't
Like
like
the landscaping.
I don't
You
like the shingles.
but
I
the rest of the
hate
house is
shingles. Let's go see. Hopefully no one's home. Well, hopefully they are home, staying safe, but hopefully they don't look out their
nice.
window and it's
both of
like,
these.
what the hell are these guys doing?
Kind of a fan of both.
Or like Palm Springs vibes.
It's like a mid-century modern vibe, kind of.
Yeah. No solicitation, it says.
No grass.
Yeah, it's a little like stark.
But I like.
Still want like a
where they were going.
homey vibe. What do you think our first house will be like? Think it'll be small?
Yeah.
How many bedrooms? Let's see if you're a psychic.
I think it'll be 2 bed, 2.5 bath.
Really? 2 bedroom?
Yeah.
Is it a fixer-upper or is it like turnkey?
It's a fixer-upper.
For sure. You're like, it's a fixer-upper. Like that's what scares me almost about like redoing a house, because you have to like, if you're gonna redo it, you might as well like really redo it.
Yeah,
like
I
do
mean,
it up nice.
You got to be willing to be like, okay, that's why if you're buying something, you're like, my budget is.
My
like,
budget
realistically,
is
my budget
unlimited.
Is $400,000, and I have a $100,000 renovation budget. You know, or if you're like,
included in the 400,000, or
no, if you're like, my budget is $500,000, you have to appropriate at least 1/5 of that to the reno. You know, so like buy the house for $400,000 or less. You're not going to get more than 2
well,
bedrooms,
we're not going to find that in LA.
No,
That's for sure.
No.
Unless it's a complete piece of shit. Not gonna find that here.
Compared to Texas,
Yeah,
if you throw
everything
this
is compared to Texas.
down, you go to Austin,
it's like
and not even like
night and day.
Not even like that far out of downtown. You can go to Austin and spend $1 million and get triple the house that you get here.
Like you get
in the heart of, like in the nicest part of Austin.
Like a mansion almost. That'll be interesting to like see where our first house is.
That's how I'm
Dun dun dun. I could do this till the end of the year. I could. I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, like, open it up. Yes, I'm going stir crazy also, but I genuinely enjoy working from home. Like, it's amazing. 1, we have to be thankful to even have a job, but then 2, like, it's honestly not that bad. And 3, I get to save so much money because we're not going out.
After a year, it's like, okay.
Oh, this house is really nice.
It's like, okay, I want to travel. I want to like
get
on with my life.
Yeah,
you know?
and like see your friends, the socializing part of like not being in this current situation. But realistically, like I could do this for like the end of the year. Like I wouldn't be like, oh my god. Like I'd be fine. Ooh, look at this one. Tyler, this one's nice.
That's the one I was pointing at.
Ooh, I'm gonna show you sneakily. Oh my god, this is like a dream home.
Yeah,
I'm trying to be like sneaky and show you, but then also not invade their privacy.
There are a little bit of color on there.
Mhm.
House, right? Maybe
Like I love the shiplap. I like love the windows.
that is like a little
So-
little too basic for me.
It is. I mean, but that's how every single house looks now these days.
Mhm.
That's why you have to like throw in those like wood
Colors,
elements.
wood, yeah.
Throw in like a pop of color somewhere.
Like if the garage unit was made out of wood or like stone or something,
Yeah.
that would be really cool.
Or like that herringbone garage that we saw.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Having different like sections of the house that are like, okay, you have like a huge window over here. You have like a little nook over here on the outside. Like different like elements that are special, as opposed to just like, okay, you have like a box house. That's just, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like that is just kind of just like a box.
yeah. Yeah, no, totally.
That's why I want to build my home, my dream home. I want to build it so that you can literally choose every detail
Or you
and
just
it's like
find
exactly what you want. Okay, we're back from our walk. Still have a little bit left in my, oh, no, that's not the dash hound. I don't know it's the dash hound. One of our like neighbors, like our apartment neighbors, they have a dash. It's a dash hound?
Dachshund.
Dachshund. Whatever. I say dash hound. Tyler makes fun of me for it.
I thought it was so funny that
I'm forever
that
gonna say
Jeff-
dash hound.
that Jeff said dash hound too, and
It's a genuine like
me and Jared just like no.
I don't know. I just feel like it's the way that it's spelled, it looks like dash hound. Anyways, our neighbor has one, and every time they like come by, I like yell at Tyler to come look at it because he wants a hot dog so bad. So
That sounds wrong.
why?
He wants a hot dog.
It's only wrong if you think it's wrong. It's not wrong. We're back from our walk. I still have a little bit of my drink left. I'm not even sure how much is in here. It's like kind of a black hole, which I'm not mad about. Tyler's gonna cook. What are you cooking?
Fish. Well, I was originally gonna do polenta tortini, or like crostinis with fish, topped with fish and basil pesto. But now I'm just gonna do the fish and basil pesto.
Okay. Me and Tyler usually like to switch off between like who cooks. Like he'll cook one night and then we'll like eat it for leftovers, and then I'll cook the next night and then we'll eat like my food for leftovers, just so like it feels like even and like fair. So yeah, I like when he cooks anyways. I used to like not cook ever. I used to just be like, okay, you cook everything, I'll sit down, I'll watch TV, I'll drink. But I feel like now we've gotten more fair to where like we like switch on and off, and I think he likes my cooking better. Very yummy. So he's gonna cook tonight, and then I'm gonna cook Wednesday night and Thursday night. So I'm cooking 2 nights, but I mean it's lettuce wraps and my creamy Tuscan chicken that I've made. So I'll show you guys both of those recipes later this week. That's what's happening. We had a really nice walk. I feel like we walked for a really long time. It was really nice just to get out, get some fresh air, and the neighbors are like so nice. Like I love like living in an area where everyone is just like so welcoming, and they have their dogs and they say hey, and it's just super nice. We're gonna relax for a little bit. I'm gonna finish up this drink and then probably make another in like a little. I'll probably just make, I honestly don't know what. We need to like get rid of the limes because they're going bad. So we need to like finish them. Don't worry, we will make good use of them in a margarita or something. Ooh, fancy. Okay. Okay, Monday night dinner. I feel it. Caprese. Caprese. Yummy.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through.
Okay, guys, I am gonna do the dishes now because Tyler cooked dinner, and that is kind of our thing. Whoever cooks doesn't clean, so since I didn't cook, I have to clean.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints in the heart. this make you cry?